ACJ on the track.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
We are tonight's entertainment.
You look nervous. And here we go.
Yeah, why so serious? Curious about what the fuck I am. Contriving the world to the underground jam. This year you can make doing out that land. These fire pits are burning hot. Soldier souls look where they lie. People say I'm telling the truth just to save the road high. Fuck that mess, I'm done with that. Looking forward, no looking back. Demon dog, that's the name. See that shit all around your brain. How you rock my introduction. Help me white people start they fussing. Even the white ones start they crap. So I tell them, why so serious?
ACJ Production.